Okay, I have a confession to make. My name is Tynish, and I'm a product junkie. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be unboxing some old curl boxes that I got that I've never even opened. Results of being a product junkie. So I've been trying to go through my products and getting my video together for my product empties and going through some products that are old that I can no longer use. So I have like this stack of boxes with products that I've never opened, and I have no clue what's in the boxes. So we are going to discover what is in these 6 boxes. Let's get started. All right, so here we are with box number 1. Never opened, no clue what's inside, so we're gonna find out together. This is crazy, like, and this is a brand that I have been wanting to try with products that I have been like, that's it. I don't need any more products. You hear me? No more. I need to have a product sale. So, inside of this box is none other than the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. So let's see what all we have. We have, oh my gosh, the most talked about aloe and coconut water detangle condition free shampoo. I have been seeing this all over social media. I cannot wait to try this. And then we also have the aloe and coconut water hydrate and renew curl milk detangler. I'm so mad that I'm just now opening this box. Let's get to the rest of the goodies in here. Okay. We have the aloe and coconut maximum hold edge styling wax. The aloe vera gel and coconut water hydrate and hold curl defining gel. All right, now this one has a little product spilled on it, and that's probably because it's been in this box for so long, or it might have been the shipping, I don't know. But anywho, this is the honey chocolate and coconut oil repair and replenish conditioner, and this sounds amazing. And then yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this one off before I even show you guys, because give me a minute. Okay, we're back. Had to clean that bottle off because it was rough. Last but not least, we have the honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. So definitely excited to try this box. So stay tuned for a video of that, and also stay tuned for the next 5 boxes. Okay, here we are with box number 2. Definitely excited about that first box. So let's see if this box is just as good. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. All right, so hold on. So in this box, more products that I have been wanting to try. Oh my gosh, this box is the Afro Sheen collection. This is the Crown Defining Curl Cream. Y'all, I can't believe this. The Lush Fro Butter. We had the Fro Out Blowout Spray. The Velvet Flow 4-in-1 Leave-In Detangler and Curl Refresher. And last but not least, the Glow Up Shine Spray. Let me take this out the bag. Yes, so box number 2, Afro Sheen. I can't wait to get into this collection either. Stay tuned for box number 3. Okay, next up, box number 3. So far, 2 for 2. Both boxes have been bomb and I can't wait to get into them. So let's see what is in box number 3. All right, box number 3 is from Palmer's. And I do have some products from Palmer's. I have like 2 of the lines. I haven't tried either of them yet, so definitely stay tuned because I will be using those. But in this box, it is the Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack, the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Leave-In Conditioner, the Skin Therapy Oil. Can't wait to use this. Ooh, the Natural Vitamin E Concentrated Cream. Definitely be using this soon also. The Swivel Stick Ultimate Moisture. This is a lip balm or lip moisturizer. Adding that to my purse. And last but not least, in this jar is the Daily Skin Therapy Heals, Softens, Relieves Rough, Dry Skin. This is a 24-hour moisture. So this one is a mixture of skin and hair products from Palmer's. So I'll definitely be trying these out soon also. Stay tuned for box number 4. Okay, here we are with box number 4. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying this video. I know I'm enjoying the surprises that are coming out of these boxes because I literally had no clue what was inside. All right, so box number 4. Inside, we have Dr. Miracles. So we have the non-stripping detox shampoo. I have never tried this line before. We have the Black Castor and Tea Tree Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil. We have the Length Retention Leave-In Cream. The Biotin and Aloe Nourishing Styling Gel. And last but not least in this box is the Hydrating and Strengthening Deep Conditioner. I'm definitely excited to try this line. This is definitely a new line for me, so stay tuned for box number 5 and stay tuned for a video of me reviewing this box. We're almost through with the boxes, but this one is box number 5. So let's open her up and see what's inside. Let me know in the comment section below which box is your favorite so far and which box you want me to try out first. I already know what's in this box without opening the curl box because right on top is none other than the Pattern Shower Brush. Now, I'm so mad at myself because I've been wanting to try Pattern and I thought that I had gotten a Pattern box, but I didn't remember. And I just purchased that new pattern Mousse. So stay tuned for that video coming up real soon. But now we have some products to use with the mousse. So I'm hyped. So again, we got the pattern Brush. Let's see what else is inside of this box. I'm like a kid in the candy store right now. Like literally so hyped. Okay. So also for pattern, we have this pattern, the claw clip. And everybody's doing these claw clip styles, so hey, I might try something with this. We also have the medium conditioner for curlies. And we have the leave-in conditioner. And we also have the hydration shampoo. So this is gonna be a full wash day and style with pattern. And last but not least, we have the jojoba oil hair serum. I am so, the nails match. So excited about this box. I can't wait. I can't wait. Stay tuned. One more box left to go. We are down to the last curl box. Let's see what's inside. So I have not been disappointed yet. Some of these boxes got me a little more hyped than others, but I'm excited and I'm here for them all. Do you guys subscribe to Curlbox? Like when I first went natural back in 2013, was it 2013? Yes, 2013 when I first went natural. I was ordering curl boxes where I was on the subscription where I was getting monthly boxes, and that is pretty much how my product stash grew. But I did unsubscribe when I started getting way too many products, and I started just purchasing the non-subscription boxes. But Curlbox is definitely a great way to introduce yourself to new products. All right, so in this last curl box is the one and only Argan Oil Collection. This is the Strengthening Restorative Mask, the Moisture Repair Shampoo, the Defining Curl Cream, the Moisture, okay, so I have two of the Moisture Repair Shampoos, and the Argan Oil Treatment. So we got two shampoos, we have a curling cream, we have a conditioner, an oil, and I don't know if I'm missing something or okay, yes. So it looks like I am missing the hair mask. Oh no, I have the hair mask. So I have the hair. So I have the hair mask. I have the curl cream. Oh, so I'm missing the conditioners. So instead of the conditioner, I have two shampoos, but that's okay because I do have the mask that goes with it. It's just a mistake in the box, but it's still all good. So I will be reviewing this line. Not sure when. Haven't heard much about this collection, but we're gonna give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. I have definitely enjoyed seeing what is inside of all of these curl boxes that I've had stacked up for God knows how long. But I'm glad to find out what's inside of the boxes and give these products a try. So stay tuned for my reviews. And also I will have a product empties video coming up soon because I definitely have a box of goodies and I can't wait to show you what's in the box. So stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.